Hi, this is Anirban and she is Blue. We are currently in the United States of America, Texas, and we have traveled all the way from India along with Blue, and it would not have been possible without Dr. Ramesh and his team's support, because Blue had gone through a hip replacement surgery done by Dr. Ramesh, and after that you can see the progress, how she is walking and running. It's absolutely fine and she is doing really great. I'm really thankful to Dr. Ramesh and the phenomenal job that he has done. Thank you, Dr. Ramesh, and I'm sure we will meet again when we will be in India.